My job is safe. Famous last words, right? A month ago, everyone thought AI was just a fun toy. Today, companies are laying off thousands of people. AI chatbots answer customer service calls. AI makes music. AI designs logos. AI writes code. So here's the question everyone's asking. Is my job next? I'm PJ, and today we're diving into the conversation that's happening in offices, coffee shops, and dinner tables across America right now. Meet Sofia, a graphic designer who just watched AI create a logo in 30 seconds, something that used to take her 3 hours. And Marcus, her coworker, who thinks AI is the best thing that ever happened to his workload. They're about to have the debate everyone's having. Is AI saving us time or taking our jobs? This is real English, real opinions, and a real question that doesn't have an easy answer. Let's listen in.
Hey, Sophia, why so serious?
Did you see the news?
What news?
Tech companies are laying off people. Again.
Oh yeah, I saw that this morning.
It says 10,000 people just this month.
I know. It's crazy.
They're replacing them with AI.
That's what the article says, but is it true?
What do you mean?
Companies always say restructuring or AI efficiency. Maybe they're just cutting costs.
But Marcus, look around. Everything is AI now.
Like what?
Like customer service. I called my bank yesterday. I talked to a robot for 20 minutes.
A robot?
You know what I mean. An AI chatbot. It couldn't answer my question.
What did you need?
I needed to dispute a charge. The AI kept saying, "I understand your concern. Let me help you." But it didn't help.
So what happened?
I kept saying, "Talk to a human," over and over. Finally, it transferred me.
How long did that take?
45 minutes for a 5-minute problem.
Ouch.
And they said a person will call me back within 12 to 24 hours.
Did they call back?
Not yet. It's been 2 days.
That's frustrating.
Right? The AI is supposed to save time, but it wastes time.
I get that, but look at the other side.
What other side?
AI does help sometimes. Last week, I used ChatGPT to write a marketing email. It took 5 minutes instead of an hour.
But that's your job. You're the marketing manager.
I still edited it. I made it better. AI just gave me a starting point.
But what if your boss sees that? What if he thinks, Marcus doesn't need an hour. He only needs 5 minutes.
I didn't think about that.
You know what scared me this week?
What?
My boss asked me to design a new logo. I said, sure, give me a few days.
And?
He said, don't spend too long. I already asked AI to make some ideas.
He used AI for logo design.
Yes, he showed me. 30 seconds on some AI design website. 5 different logos.
Were they good?
That's the worst part. They were okay.
Just okay?
Not amazing, but okay enough.
But your designs are better, right?
Of course, but Marcus, they were free and instant. My work takes 3 hours and costs the company my salary.
So what did your boss say?
He said, use these as inspiration. Make something better.
See? He still needs you.
For now. But what about next year? What if AI gets better?
It probably will.
That's my point. Every month, AI updates. New features, better quality.
That's true. My phone keeps telling me about new AI updates.
Remember software updates before? Maybe once a year.
Yeah, like Microsoft Office or Photoshop.
Now, AI updates every month. Sometimes twice a month.
It's moving fast.
Too fast. I can't keep up. How am I supposed to compete with that?
You're not competing with AI. You're working with it.
Working with it?
Yeah, think of AI as a tool. Like when digital cameras came out, photographers didn't disappear, they adapted.
Some photographers did disappear.
Okay, true.
And it's not just design. AI makes music now.
I've heard about that.
My friend is a musician. She spent 10 years learning guitar, piano, music theory. Now anyone can type, "Make me a pop song," and boom, AI makes a song in 2 minutes.
But is it good music?
Good enough for TikTok. Good enough for commercials. Good enough to take her work away.
That's actually sad.
It is. These are real people with real skills. And AI just copies what they do.
I never thought about it that way. Okay, I agree. AI customer service is terrible.
Right?
But companies love it. Know why?
Because it's cheap.
Exactly. One AI chatbot replaces 50 customer service workers.
And it doesn't take breaks. Doesn't get sick. Doesn't ask for a raise.
From a business perspective, it makes sense.
But from a human perspective,
It's awful, I know.
last month, I needed to change my flight. The airline's AI chatbot couldn't help me. I spent 3 hours trying to reach a real person.
3 hours?
Yes, the AI kept saying, "I can help with that," but then it would just repeat the same information from the website.
What did you need?
I needed to know if I could get a refund. The AI said, "Refund policies vary." That's not an answer.
That's so vague.
I know. A human would say, "No, your ticket isn't refundable," or "Yes, but there's a fee." The AI just says nothing helpful.
Did you eventually talk to a person?
Yes, finally, she answered my question in 30 seconds.
So the AI wasted 3 hours, and the human solved it in 30 seconds.
Exactly. So tell me, how is AI saving time?
It's not. Not yet, anyway.
And while we wait for AI to get better, real people are losing jobs.
That's the tricky part.
What do you mean?
AI isn't good enough to replace humans completely, but companies are still trying.
So customers suffer.
Yes, and employees suffer too.
Then why are we doing this?
Because, I don't know. Progress?
This isn't progress. Progress should make life better.
I agree, but companies see it differently.
They see dollar signs.
Pretty much.
It's not fair.
No, it's not. Okay, here's what I think.
I'm listening.
AI isn't going away. We can't stop it.
I know.
But that doesn't mean we're all losing our jobs tomorrow.
How do you know?
Because AI still needs humans. Look at your logo example. Your boss used AI for ideas, but he still asked you to make something better.
For now.
Yes, for now. But here's the thing. AI doesn't understand context. It doesn't understand people.
What do you mean?
Like your bank chatbot. It knew words. It knew sentences. But it didn't understand your problem.
That's true.
And my ChatGPT email? It was generic. It sounded like a robot wrote it. I had to add personality. I had to make it human.
So AI needs editing?
Always. At least for now. Maybe forever.
But what about the people who already lost their jobs?
I don't have a good answer for that.
Me neither.
I think some jobs will disappear. That's just the reality.
Yeah.
But new jobs will appear too. Someone has to train the AI. Someone has to fix it when it breaks. Someone has to check its work.
So we become babysitters for robots?
Kind of, but that's still a job.
It's depressing, though.
A little bit, yeah.
What should I do? Should I learn AI?
Honestly, yes. I think everyone should learn the basics.
Really?
Think about it. 20 years ago, people said, should I learn computers? Now, everyone uses computers.
So AI is the same?
Probably. People who understand AI will have better jobs. People who don't might struggle.
That's not fair to older workers, or people who don't have time to learn new skills.
You're right. It's not fair. But it's happening anyway.
This is so stressful.
I know, but Sophia, you're talented. You're creative. AI can't replace that.
You really think so?
I do. AI makes things, but it doesn't make art. Not real art.
Thanks, Marcus.
Also, think about what you said about customer service.
What about it?
People hate talking to AI. They want to talk to humans. That means human jobs aren't going anywhere in some fields.
Like what?
Teaching, nursing, therapy, customer service. Good customer service, I mean. Jobs where you need empathy.
AI doesn't have empathy.
Exactly. So those jobs are safe.
What about creative jobs?
Those are trickier, but I think there will always be a market for human creativity. Maybe not everyone, but the best people.
So I need to be the best?
Don't we all?
I guess so.
Look, I don't know what the future looks like. Nobody does.
That's scary.
It is, but we've survived changes before. Remember when everyone said the internet would destroy all jobs?
Did that happen?
No, it created different jobs. Maybe AI will be the same.
Maybe.
Just stay flexible, keep learning, and don't panic.
Okay, I'll try.
Also, keep designing. Don't let AI make you doubt yourself.
Thanks, Marcus. I needed to hear that.
Anytime. Now, want to grab some coffee?
Sure, but I'm paying. To thank you for the pet talk.
Deal.
All right, deep breath. Is AI taking our jobs? The honest answer is some of them, yes, but not all of them, and not the way you think. Let's talk about the English you just heard. Essential phrases for talking about AI and work. AI is replacing workers. That's the phrase you'll hear on the news. I'm worried about my job. Totally natural way to express concern. AI can't replace human creativity. A common argument in this debate. We need to adapt. That's what people say when they accept change is coming. Notice how Sofia and Marcus disagreed without being rude? That's real conversation. You can have different opinions and still be respectful. That's important in American workplace culture. Also, notice, they both admitted when they didn't know something. Marcus said, "I don't have a good answer for that." That's honest. You don't have to pretend to know everything. Important vocabulary for this topic. Laying off means firing employees, usually many at once. The company is laying off workers. Chatbot means an AI that talks to you via text or voice. I talked to a chatbot for an hour. Dispute means to challenge or question something. I needed to dispute a charge. Replace means to take someone's place. AI is replacing customer service workers. Generic means basic, not special or personal. The AI emails sounded generic. Cultural context. In America right now, this debate is everywhere. At work, on social media, in the news. It's okay to have strong feelings about it, and it's okay to be worried. Some people think AI is amazing. Others think it's dangerous. Most people, like Sofia and Marcus, feel both. That's normal. Here's something important. If you're worried about AI taking your job, you're not alone. Millions of Americans feel the same way. It's one of the biggest topics of 2025. Your homework. Learn to say, "I'm concerned about AI replacing workers." Practice. AI is helpful, but it has problems too. And We need to find a balance between technology and human jobs. These phrases let you join the conversation, no matter which side you're on. One more thing. Notice how Marcus suggested Sophia should learn AI? That's practical advice. If you want to protect your job, understanding the tools that might change it is smart. You don't have to love AI, but you should probably understand it. And remember, this conversation isn't over. Nobody knows exactly how this will play out. So stay informed, stay flexible, and keep learning. If you want more real-world English like this, conversations people are actually having right now, hit subscribe. We'll keep bringing you the topics that matter. I'm PJ, and until next time, keep practicing.